All right, here's a quick video on how to add more options to the menu. So I'm going to go to a store and we'll go into a design. Let's see, let's go into, all right, I'll go into shop honey dip. So we'll log in here. All right, I can view the store live. So right now it just says home and contact us. It doesn't have anything else. So visually, I would like to see an additional additional products inside of the menu. So we'll go back over to Shop Honey Dip. I go to online store. I go to navigation. Right here it says catalog. You click catalog. Under catalog, I hit add menu item. So I always click the bottom link and then select products. And then I'll enter product number 1. And then it duplicates the name if you select the bottom link. Add menu item, products, product 2, boom, products 3, product 4. All right, once I save it, for some reason it scrambles, and I think it puts 4 back to number 1. Let me see, save it. Okay, so it didn't do it, but it's cool. So if I left it like this, and I see it visually now, if I leave it like this, and I refresh it, it's just going to be all drop under like this. Right? So I don't want it to look like this. I want it to be a nested link. To make it a nested link, I grab it and I drag it over to the right. Grab it, drag it over to the right. Grab it, drag it over to the right. Grab the product, grab it over to the right. Save it. Now when I save it, I go back to my honey dip, refresh again. Now I have the nested link. Right? So you see how it's showing 4, 3, 2, 1. So with that being said, it may be smarter whenever you're doing the products, when you're entering them, to go ahead and enter the 4, 3, 2, 1 in first, so that way it'll automatically reset and show the 1, 2, 3, 4. But honestly, it doesn't matter. You can leave it like this because we're just using it for an example. So you can leave it like this, no problem. But if you wanted to change it, you can just grab it and drag it. But you don't have to do this. Boom, save, refresh. Boom, grab it. Right? So I personally don't really like the black here. Just so to change it, what I would probably do is go back to online store, customize, slide out menu. I would probably change this to white. Oh, nope, I like black better. Or, yeah, I think I like black better. Or white with the white black. Yeah, it's not so bad. Then if I want to change the link size to not make it so big, make it smaller. All right. Yep, save it. Done.